Hello guys, my name is Samuel. Welcome to H-QTV. In today's video, I'm just going to show you on how you can buy data from your Glo balance on your Glo mobile app, that is Glo Cafe. And before you go ahead to buy data, make sure that you have Airtime that you can turn to data on your phone. The first thing is, when you have logged into your Glo mobile app from your phone, click on buy data. And you can see, then you are just going to select monthly plans, amount of balance that you have. So I have 1,000. If you have 2,000, you can buy more than that. You can see, then you are just going to click one off and 1,000, and you can see, then you are just going to proceed with buy with Airtime. Are you sure you want to subscribe? Yes, thank you. Can see, then you can see, this is how you are going to buy data from your Glo mobile app. You can see 2.29 gig, so you have been given 22.29 gig. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.